Hello guys, welcome on our YouTube channel WebTech Pull. Today we are starting our new topic which is ArcGIS desktop tutorial. Through this tutorial, I am to give you guys a very in-depth understanding of the capabilities of ArcGIS desktop. If you are getting started as a beginner, now Esri's ArcGIS has been around for quite a long time and even today despite the competition. It gets from so many other commercial and also open source his tools. It remains as one of the most widely used GIS softwares in so many different areas like transportation and navigation, water resources engineering, geological sciences, you name it. Again, this is an introductory guide for the beginners, but what's interesting is that I am going to take you through these functionalities, which we are going to discuss through practical application. That means by end of this course, you will know exactly what can be done using the available tools and also how you can use those tools to actually get the work done that's relevant to you quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching guys.